Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do division for second graders. Division is all about sharing a big group of things into smaller, equal groups. Imagine you have a pile of cookies and want to give the same amount to each of your friends. That's division. It's also the opposite of multiplication, helping us find how many are in each group or how many groups we can make. When we divide, the most important rule is to share equally. Every group must have the exact same number of items. Think about having 12 toy cars and wanting to put them into 3 boxes. You would put 4 cars in each box, making sure no box has more or less than another. This is the core idea of division, creating perfectly equal shares. Another helpful way to think about division is through repeated subtraction. Imagine you have 15 candies and want to give 3 candies to each friend. You can keep subtracting 3 until you have no candies left. The number of times you subtracted 3 tells you how many friends received candies. It's a great way to visualize the process. Learning division is like learning any new skill. Practice makes perfect. Begin with smaller numbers like dividing 6 by 2 or 9 by 3. Use physical objects around your home, such as 10 small toys, and try sharing them into 2 or 5 equal groups. The more you practice, the easier and more fun division will become. Keep trying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.